Hello again, my YouTubers. It's your cameraman, Daniel Drupsky, for this another video of the construction at the garage. And today's still March 28, 2023, and it's about 4:26 in the afternoon right now. It's getting kind of cloudy, but it was sunny earlier. I'll show you what they are doing today. Just like on the other video yesterday, I showed you just like what they doing. And here it is. I don't know if we're going to do any aftermath. We only do that when it's like outside, for what they're doing for the outside. And here it is. I don't see nobody there. Probably the guy went out for lunch or something. Yep. Starting of his engine. Yep. They're fixing up the inside. Yep. They've been doing this for nearly 3 months since they first started it on January 2nd of this year, the day after New Year's Day. That's why I've been doing the series, like the construction series. This damn camera. Maybe we'll get like a little bit closer, see what he's doing. Boy, it smells like hot dog stand in Manhattan. So much traffic around here. You better hurry up. Yep. Now he's working in there. To get all those materials. Yep. There's the beeper, there's the camera. They're doing like a wonderful job on this. Like getting everything together before those gold cart comes inside here. They did like a pretty good job on this, and they actually destroyed my whole my playground area over here, like since like 2 months ago. Yep. Look at the beautiful ceilings, and also they do have that thing for like the garage door. Yep. There's the main door. You heard that? He's digging. There's that thing again. Pardon me, sorry about that. I had to go through with the traffic. It's kindly a pain. Oh, here comes a car. So there you have it, folks. This worker's still working at that garage. Yep. Bulldozer's still in there. He's actually digging up everything. Yep. And I hope you enjoy this little update. And please comment or subscribe to ring the bell if you like other previous videos of the construction site. Until then, your cameraman, Daniel, signing off, and I'll see you next time for more updates. So long, and I'll keep you posted. Keep you updates, too. Bye. Close at 5 o'clock. Cold animal.